thanks to Santham Choir. To translate our feelings of joy and gratitude to our chief guest, now I call upon Reverend Dr. Alex Tharamangalam, the rector of the seminary, to pay tribute and honor the chief guest of the day.
Your Grace, Mar Matthew Mulagad, distinguished chief guest Sri G. Madhavan Nair, other dignitaries, brothers and friends. We, the PVP staff and students and the seminary community, are privileged to have Sri Madhavan Nair amidst us as our chief guest of the day. I am standing here to honor this distinguished personality with a word of appreciation. Sri Madhavan Nair is a great scientist in the international scenario of rocket systems. In 1967, he began his career as he joined Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station. Since then, he has been steadily contributing substantially in space technology, holding various positions, especially becoming the chairman of ISRO. During his tenure, the ISRO team accomplished 25 missions successfully. For instance, INSAT 3C, ResourceSat, EduSat, HomeSat, PSLV, OceanSat, to mention a few of them. Self-reliance in high technology areas. India's indigenous launch vehicle GSLV is the best example for this, and low-cost access to space seemed to be the proclaimed motto of his career. Thanks to India's own Moon Impact Probe (MIP), evidence of water on the moon was detected, which no lunar mission so far had found. It was a path-breaking event, a substantial contribution of Chandrayaan-1, which cost only less than $100 million. As a man of optimism, Sri Madhavan Nair foresees that India's mission to Mars, a low-cost space odyssey, will take place between 2013 and 2015. Again, the village resource centers, the product of Dr. Nair's dream, planned for the improvement of the quality of poor people in the villages, are functioning very well. At present, he is the president of the International Academy of Astronautics, IAA, the only Indian and the first non-American to this esteemed institution. This great person is given a Z security by our country, that is a security given round the clock. Numerous are the doctorates honoris causa given to him. Umpteen are the positions he held. India, our mother, has honored her son with Padma Bhushan in 1998 and Padma Vibhushan in 2009, India's second highest civilian honor. He is a technocrat par excellence, astute institution builder with strategic vision, and a fine person with interpersonal qualities. May the Almighty enable him to substantially contribute further in the fields of space research and rocket systems. We, the faculty and students of Paulist Vidyavidam and Seminary, with deep appreciation and profound respect, place before you a humble gesture of our esteem and love for your contribution to our country in particular and to humanity in general.
Now I invite Reverend Dr. Poli Maniat to present to His Excellency Dr. G. Madhavan Nair a copy of our publication on religion science in Malayalam. It is a festrit in honor of Reverend Father Paul Maroki, a former professor of science at the Paulist Vidyavidam. It is indeed